Welcome back to our channel PYT. If you have not yet subscribed our channel, please do subscribe it and click on bell icon so that you will be receiving the notification for our next videos. Sometimes you will be deleting the emails in your inbox accidentally, or you will think that the email is no longer useful for you. But one day you require the information which is there in the deleted email. Then you need to restore that deleted email, right? And in this video, we are going to discuss how you can retrieve the email which has been deleted from your Outlook. So, guys, for retrieving back the deleted email, first you need to check on the deleted items folder. Either you need to check in the deleted items folder, or if not, in the trash folder. So, in my inbox, there is no trash folder. So, I am going into the deleted items and I want to retrieve the deleted email. So first let me delete some email and then let me retrieve it back. So here we have one email from the manage engine. So let me delete that email. Okay, I deleted that email. Now let me go to the deleted items folder. See here I can see the email, right, which has been deleted now. So now I want to retrieve this email. Simply select that email, right click on it, then click on move. So you can either select the folder where you want to move, or if not, if you want to copy the email, you can copy the email to the folder. So let me click on other folder and let me select the inbox folder. Let me click on OK. So now the manage engine email has been moved to the inbox. See, it has been retrieved back to the inbox. And what if your email is not there in the deleted items folder? So if you cannot find the email in your deleted items folder, then you need to click on the recover deleted items from server. And this option will reflect only if you select the deleted items folder. For example, if you select the inbox, then that option will not be reflected. You need to select the deleted items folder. Then first you need to search in the deleted items folder whether that email is reflecting or not. And if the email which you have been deleted is not reflecting in the deleted items folder, then you need to click on the recover deleted items from server. So here I have three emails and I want to retrieve the email from this, okay, which I have received from the manage engine, reduce help desk calls. So let me right click on this. Sorry, you should not right click on it, just you need to select the email, then you need to select the restore selected items and click on OK. So once you restore that email, it will be moved into the deleted items. See here I got one mail in the deleted items. So let me open that. If I scroll down, see, reduce help desk calls. So this is how you would be you will be retrieving the emails which are deleted in your Outlook. So the first option is either you can retrieve the email from the deleted items, and if the deleted email is not reflecting in the deleted items folder, then you can retrieve it from the recover deleted items from server. And if there is no recover deleted items folder in the menu, so for example you cannot find this folder in your menu, then your account does not support recovering an item that's no longer available in the deleted items folder. So in this case you need to contact your admin and they will be retrieving the email from the eDiscovery center. So what is eDiscovery center and how the admin will be retrieving the deleted emails from eDiscovery center, we are going to see in our next video. Thank you for watching this video, and if you feel this video is helpful for you, please do subscribe our channel and like this video.